All right, let's continue our roof framing. Let's delete this dimension here. We don't need it anymore. And for this rafter to stand up by its own, we need to put a piece of block that would span the whole roof. So we're going to do another rectangle. Okay, and we can do a rectangle standing up. We just have to do it on a face that's already standing up, like this one. So let's click here and drag it, and on the green, make sure it's on the face, and then type in 1.5, comma 3.5. Okay, and we're going to extrude that, and then we're going to triple click 1, 2, 3, and then make it into a group. And then we're going to just simply rotate this so it's going to stand up. And what we're going to do is we're going to move this from the midpoint, middle here, so midpoint, and we're going to put this over here at the middle also of this other object here, middle. There you go. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a notch on this to receive this um, piece of blocking. But this blocking has to extend maybe 1 inch. So we're going to just raise it up and type in 1 and press enter. Okay. So next we're going to notch this. And what we're going to do is we're going to erase this other side so that we can notch this and then mirror it later. Okay, so we're going to double click to edit the group, draw a line from this intersection to here to go down. Okay, and then we're going to let's close this group first and then move this block away so we can see the notch. Edit this group and push that out. Push that out. And so now, oops, I lost my zoom. And so now we have a so hard. Okay, now we have a notch, so we're ready to close the group. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to make this. So we're going to select a group, this group, select, right click, and then we're going to make this into a component. To make it a component means that all copies of this component will be identical. Okay, so we're going to make a component, and we're going to name it rafter, and we're going to click OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mirror this. So we're going to select that. We're going to do mirror, and then we're going to touch this face over here, and then we're going to press Control to make a copy, and then we are now ready to just select outside. Okay, so we just created a notch. So remember that these are components. If I modify this, the other side will be modified too. So we are now ready to move this. So we're going to move it, and this time we're going to click this corner and put that on that corner over there. Okay, so this will be our roof beam that will carry the rafter. Now this roof beam has to be supported by a blocking underneath. So we're going to make another block here on this face, and we're going to click anywhere there on the blue as long as it's on the face, and then type in 1.5 comma 3.5. Okay, and then we are going to extrude that and then triple click and make it to a group, and then let's do a rotation on the blue. And then we're going to just move this in the middle and put that here on top in the middle too. Sometimes you have to change your view just to get it to the correct spot. Okay, look underneath. We're going to edit this object, or edit a group, and then we're ready to pull that down until the top of the double plate. Okay, close the group, and that now supports our roof beam. Okay, and this roof beam will go and extend all the way here and actually pass our roof shed. Okay, so we're going to right click and we're going to edit the group again. We're going to pull it out and then go up to this corner here And then from here, we're going to extend it 12 more inches. So we're going to click that and extend that and type 1, 2 on your keyboard, press enter. So it's 12 inches longer in our shed, and it will also be 12 inches longer on this side. So we're going to click this and then pull it out and type in 1, 2 on your keyboard. Up, undo. Select, pull it out, and then type 1, 2, enter. So it's 12 inches longer in our keyboard, and that's going to be our roof beam. Close the group. Okay. And we're going to create our eaves next. Okay.